Good morning, students. So again, today I am going to deal with some more problems based on geometric progression. Okay. Now here, problem number 17. Find the sum of the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 128, 32, 8 to 1 by. Find the sum of product of the corresponding terms. 5 term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ 5 term ಇದೆ. Now to find the sum of the product. ಇವೆರಡು terms ಅನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು then to find the sum of all 5 terms. Now look here. How to calculate? Now here given data. First 5 terms are 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Another 5 terms are 128, 32, 8 to 1 by. According to the question, sum of the product. Now first number 2. Let Sn denote sum of the product 2 into second factor. First term is 128. Sum plus 4 into 32 plus 8 into 8, okay, plus 16 into 2 plus 32 into 1 by. Okay, find the sum and product of the corresponding terms. That is equal to 128 2s are 256, 32 4s are 128, 8 8s are 64, 16 2s are 32, then 2 1s are 2 16s are that is 60. Total how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Here first term a value 256. What is common ratio? How to calculate common ratio? Second term divided by first term. What is second term? 128. First term 256. That is 128 ones are 128 twos are 1 by 2 which is less than 1, and number of terms. N value is how many terms? 1 2 3 4 5 terms. To calculate S5, if R is less than 1, you know the formula. What is that formula? Sum to n terms of geometric progression denoted by Sn is equal to, if R is less than 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Substituting the value. Yes, n value 5. What is A? A value 256 into 1 minus, what is R? 1 by 2 to the power of n value is 5 divided by 1 minus R value is 1 by. Simplify 256 into bracket 1 minus 1 power 5 1, 2 power 5 30. Okay, divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 LCM 2, that is 2 minus 1 by. Then further simplify 256 into bracket again LCM 32, 32 minus 1, 33 by 32 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, now again rearrange 256 into 31 divided by 32. If you take multiplication, 2 by 1. So 2 ones are 2 16s are 16 ones are 16 16s are 16 16s are 256. So S5 is equal to 16 into 31. Multiply those two, that is 16 into 31, 6 18, 3 1 3 plus 1 4, that is 496. So the sum of the product of the corresponding terms of the sequence, its sum is 496. Okay, clear friends? Yes. Next problem. Problem number 18. Find 4 numbers forming a GT. 4 numbers ಇರಬೇಕು, 4 numbers GT ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. In which ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ third term is greater than the first term by 9. ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ A ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಮೂರನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ by 9, and the second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. Second term fourth term ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು fourth term ಗೆ 18 ಆಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, greater than the fourth term by 18. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. those four numbers are in ಇರಬೇಕು geometric progression. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ take four numbers which are in GP. take now ನಾಲ್ಕು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. general form of GP. let the four numbers are in GP are A, AR, AR square, AR cube. Four numbers. Okay. According to the question, according to the given data, the third term is greater than, third term denoted by T3 is greater than the first term by 9. That is first term T1 plus 9. T3 is more than T1 plus 9. Correct? T3 is more than the first term by 9. And next is 12. And second term is greater than, second term ಎಷ್ಟು greater than the fourth term T4 by 18. Second term is equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Okay. Then to find four numbers. Now this implies what is third term? 1, 2, 3. Third term is AR square is equal. What is first term? A plus 9. Right? Now take A on left side. AR square minus A is equal to 9. Or take A common. R square minus 1 is equal to 9. Equation. Similarly, second term. What is second term? AR. Fourth term is AR cube plus 18. So take AR cube on left side. AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. Among those two, take AR common. 1 minus R square is equal to 18. Correct? AR common 1 minus R square is equal to 18. Call it as equation. Then solving those two equations. Now here divide equation 2 by 1. No, second equation we get first equation the divide part. What is second equation? AR into 1 minus R square divided by first equation A into R square minus 1 is equal to second equation 18. First equation is 9. Divide second equation by first equation. Okay. Now here A cancel. R into 1 minus R square divided by R square minus 1 is same as we can get minus of 1 minus R square. Are they same? Yes. Check it. Open ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 minus into minus plus R square minus 1. Okay. Minus into minus plus R square. So R square minus 1 is same as we can write interchange minus of 1 minus R square is equal to 9 1s are 9 2s are that is 2. Clearly 1 minus R square get cancelled. So therefore R divided by minus 1 is equal to 2. Hence R is equal to minus 2. R value is minus 2. Okay, common ratio minus 2 which is less than 1. Then to find A, put R is equal to minus 2 either in equation 1 or equation 2. Take equation 1. A into R square, R value minus 2 square plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 9. 4 minus 1, 3A is equal to 9. Divide by 3, A is equal to 9 divided by 3, that is 3. We got A value and R value. Then to find 4 numbers, therefore 4 numbers in the GP are. What are the 4 numbers? First number A value 3, Second number AR, 3 into minus 2. Third number AR square, 3 into minus 2 square. Fourth number AR2, 3 into minus 2. That is 3 minus 6 minus 2 square 4. 4 into 3 12. Minus 2 2 minus 8. Minus 8 3 is minus 24. So 4 numbers are 3 minus 6 12 minus 24. Verify according to the question here the third term is greater than the first term by 9. Third term 12 greater than the first term 3 by 9. 3, that is the third term is greater than the first by 9. Third term is 12. The greater than, that is 12, is equal to 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9, 12 is equal to 12. Whereas second term is greater than, what is second term? Minus 6 is equal to, second term minus 6 is equal to fourth term minus 24 plus 18. Minus 24 plus 18, minus 6. It verified? Yes. So remember, so 4 numbers are 3, minus 6, 12 and minus 24. Each question carries 3 marks. Okay students. Problem number 19. Important sum. 3 mark question. Now read the question carefully. If the pith, qt and rth terms of a GP are A, B and C respectively. It means pith term of GP is A, qt term of geometric progression is B and rth term of geometric progression is C respectively. Then prove that A power Q minus R into A power R minus P into C power P minus Q is equal to 1. To prove LHS equal to RHS. Now here, according to the question, given data, pith term of GP is A. Now here, let A is the capital A be the first term. Take first term denoted by capital A. And R be the common ratio. Instead of small r, by taking capital R is the common ratio. Okay. According to the question, given data, pith term denoted by TP is equal to A. Pith term of GP is A. Next, qth term of GP is B. And rth term of GP is C. PR is equal to C. But you know the formula. What is pith term? AR is equal to P minus 1. Okay, now here instead of small a, by taking capital A, instead of small r, by taking capital R. AR is to P minus 1 is equal to E. And small a confusion by taking capital A is the first term, capital R is the common ratio. Okay. Q the term, capital AR is to Q minus 1 is equal to E. And R the term, capital AR is to R minus 1 is equal to C. Correct? Now to prove that A power Q minus R, take LHS. A power Q minus R into B power R minus P into C power QP minus Q is equal to RHS square 1. Substituting the value. What is A value? AR is to P minus 1 whole power Q minus R. Correct? Now the value of A is AR is to P minus 1 whole power Q minus R into, what is B? AR is to Q minus 1 whole power R minus P. What is C? AR is to R minus 1 whole power P minus Q. Okay, now simplify. Apply laws of indices. As you know that A into B whole power M is equal to what is the formula? A power m into p power m, right? This is A, that is called as B. Now apply law of indices. A power q minus r into r power p minus 1 whole power q minus r. Okay. Similarly, a power r minus p into r power q minus 1 whole power r minus into a power p minus q into r power r minus 1 whole power p minus by using laws of indices. Okay. Now let us further simplify. That is equal to a power q minus r. Again in second term, once again apply laws of indices. What is that? You know that a power m whole power n is equal to what? A power m into n, right? A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? r power p minus 1 into q minus r. Okay. In a power r minus p as it is. Again apply laws of indices. That is r power q minus 1 into r minus p. In a power p minus q into r power r minus 1 into p minus q. Correct? By using laws of indices. Then simplify. That is equal to a power q minus r as it is. Now here r power, remove that bracket, multiply those two factors. Multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ p into q pq, p into minus r minus pr, minus 1 into qq, minus into minus plus 1 into r. In a power r minus p as it is into r power, again multiply those two, q into r qr, minus q into p, minus 1 into r minus r, minus into minus plus 1 into pp. In a power p minus q, r power, again multiply those two, r into p rp, minus r into q rq, minus 1 into p minus p, minus into minus plus 1 into q q. Okay. Then rearrange. First will be a term. A there one side, like term one side. Okay. Like terms are a. That is a power q minus r into a power r minus p into a power p minus. Next, take r term. In r power pq minus pr minus q plus r into r power qr minus qp minus r plus p. Okay. Into r power rp minus rq minus p plus. Okay. Now that is equal to, in the first three terms, clearly bases are same. Apply laws of indices. As you know that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here a power m plus n, that is q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. Correct? Similarly into, again here bases are same. Apply laws of indices. R power pq minus pr minus q plus r plus qr minus qp minus r plus p. A power m into a power n into a power p. A power m plus n plus p. Add the powers. Plus rp minus rq minus p plus powers na add. Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? plus q minus p ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? minus r plus r 0 minus p plus p 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? a power value is 0 into r power ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ plus pq minus p minus PR plus PR minus Q plus Q plus R minus R plus QR minus QR, then plus P minus P. All shall get cancelled. So R power zero is equal to, what is meaning of any number to the power of 0? Meaning of basic concept, meaning of a power 0 is 1. Meaning of r power 0 is 1. 1 into 1, 1. That is equal to RHS. Here students, simple ಆಗಿದೆ, correct concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now take A is the first term, R is the common ratio. According to the question, TP is given A, TQ is given B, PR is given C. Apply the formula for TP, TQ, PR. Then take LHS, simplify and apply laws of indices. You will get right hand side value 1. Here students, next problem, problem number 20. If the first and nth term of a GP are A and B respectively, if the first term of GP is A, nth term of GP is B, okay, and if B is the product of n terms of GP, as you know the formula for n terms of GP, the general form of GP are A, AR, AR square and so on. Nth term is AR square minus 1. Its product denoted by P. Of all terms the multiplication P. P is the product of n terms. Then prove that P square is equal to AB to the power of n. P square is equal to AB whole power n. Now here given data, if the first term of GP is A, now first term denoted by A is equal to A itself. First term is A, and nth term Pn is equal to B. Nth term of GP is B. Now this implies, what is Pn formula? AR is to n minus 1 is equal to B. Correct? Therefore, R power n minus 1 is equal to divide both sides by A. R power n minus 1 is equal to B divided by A. Correct? ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ A ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ R power n minus 1 is equal to B by A. Now eliminate the index n minus 1. The index n minus 1 eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How to eliminate? See, if it is R square is equal to 7, to find R, now if you eliminate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Taking square root on both sides. If it is R cube is given, R cube is equal to 7. Find R, eliminate 3. What can you do? Taking cube root. Cube root means R power, that is power 1 by 2. Square root means power 1 by 2. If it is R power 4 is equal to 7, to find R, how to eliminate 4? Taking 4th root on both sides. In one to 4th root. Here, instead of 4, here the number is in general n minus 1. Eliminate n minus 1, what can you do? Taking nth root on both sides. Taking nth root, R is equal to R B by A to the power of 1 by n minus 1. See, that is R cube is equal to 7R. R is equal to cube root on both sides. 7 power 1 by 3. R power 4 is equal to 7. Find R. R is equal to, taking 4 root on both sides, 7 power 1 by 4. If it is n minus 1, taking n minus 1 root on both sides, R is equal to B by A whole power 1 by n minus 1. Okay, so we got R value, right? Nothing to be done. P is the product of n terms, and P is equal to product of n terms, A into AR into AR square into AR cube and so on. AR is to n minus 1. Last term is AR is n. Its product, multiplication of n terms denoted by P. Based on this and that, to prove that P square is equal to AB to the power of n, simplify that one. P is equal to. Now here A into A into A into A into A into A a power n, right? Here r power 1, r power 2, r power 3 and so on. R power 1, r power 2, r power 3 into r power 4 and so on, r power n minus 1. That is p is equal to a power n. Here observe it, bases are same. Apply laws of indices. As you know that a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Here r power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on n minus 1. Correct. So that is p is equal to a power n into r power in the index will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n minus 1. Okay. So ಈ n minus 1 ಗೆ put n minus 1 is equal to capital N. ಇದು capital N ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. Correct. Now sum of n terms, as you know that by using mathematical induction, first problem in mathematical induction, prove by apply that 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. What is some value? You know what is that? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Is it done? ಈ n minus 1 capital N ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus n. But you know that sum of n terms of the series by using mathematical induction. What is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2. But the value of capital N is n minus 1, right? Again capital N value n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. That is n minus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 cancel n divided by 2. However, the value is to n minus 1 into n by r power, the index by using mathematical induction, its value n minus 1 into n divided by 2. Clear friends? Okay. Then simplify a power n, but the value of r value, it's all value, r value ಏನಿದೆ? Put r value. What is r value? b by a to the power of 1 by n minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n by r value substitute. What is r value? b by a to the power of 1 by n minus 1 whole power n minus 1 into n by 2. Then simplify a power n into b by a. Now here 1 by n minus 1 call it as capital A and n minus 1 into n by 2 call it as capital B. It is in the form laws of indices a power m whole power m. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ m ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ n ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A, this is called as a power m whole power n. What is the formula? A power m into n. Correct? A power m ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 1 by n minus 1 into n value n minus 1 into n by 2. Right? By using laws of indices, this is called as a, that the power called as m, then whole power called as n. It is in the form a power m whole power m. Using laws of indices, a power m into n. What is m value? 1 by n minus 1 into n value n minus 1 into n by 2. Okay. Now here n minus 1 get cancelled. That is equal to a power n divided by, see, a power n as it is b by a whole power n by 2. That n minus 1 cancel. Once again apply laws of indices a power n into. Now you know that by using laws of indices a upon b whole power m is equal to different ways. How to write? That is a power m divided by b power m. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? b power n by 2 divided by a power n. Correct? Then further simplify. That is equal to p is equal to a power n divided by a power n by 2. A power n divided by a power n by 2. Bases are same. Apply laws of indices. A power m divided by a power m. A power m divided by a power n is equal to what is the formula? A power m minus n. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು a power n minus n by 2 into b power n by 2 as it is. Then simplify a power, take the LCM. LCM is here 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2n minus n, 1n by 2 into b power n. Right? So p is equal to, again apply laws of indices, a power m into b power m, a power m into b power m. Powers are same. How to write? The product ab to the power of m. Here power is same. The product ab to the power of m. Right? That is ab to the power of m and n by n. This is p. P is the product of n terms. After simplification, next one is ab power n. But the question, prove that p square, squaring on both sides, square ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿ, p square is equal to ab to the power of n by 2 whole square. Squaring on both sides, that is p square is equal to, again apply laws of indices. What is that? A power m whole power n is equal to what? A power m into n. Now n by 2 is equal to m. This is m anybody, and number 2 is equal to n. It is in the form a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. That is ab to the power of m and n by 2 into n, right? To cancel, therefore p square is equal to ab to the power of n. Is the answer one? So prove that p square is equal to ab whole power n. Clear students? So concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. General form of GP ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. n term of GP ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. P is the product of n terms. Now these are the product of n terms. Go on simplify. Now here r power that value. This has solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by using mathematical induction. Okay? Problem. If a, b, c, d are in geometric progression, then show that a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square is equal to ab plus bc plus cd whole power 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. a, b, c, d are in GP. As you know that the general form of GP are ar square, ar2, ars to 4 and so on. This is general form. Now the first term denoted by a, that is given. Second term, 4 numbers are in GP denoted by a, b, c. Second number ar denoted by b. Third number ar square denoted by c. Fourth number ar2 denoted by d. A under first term, b under ಯಾವುದು second term of GP. Second term is ar. C means third term of GP, ar square. D means fourth term of GP, ar2. Now a, ar, ar square, ar2, which is denoted by the letter a, b, c, d. Now here let a is equal to a itself, first term. B means second term is ar. C means third term, ar square. D means fourth term, ar2. Then show that a square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square is equal to ab plus bc plus cd whole power. Now take LHS. Very simple question. A square plus b square plus c square into b square plus c square plus d square. Substitute the values. What is a? A value in itself a square. What is b? B value ar whole power. What is c? Ar square whole power. Into bracket. Again b square ar whole power. C square ar square whole power. D square ar cube whole power. Right? Simplify. A square plus ar whole square is a square r square. ar square whole square is a square r square whole power 2. Law of indices r power 4. in here a square r square plus a square r power 4 plus a square r power 6. Log of indices a power m whole power n, a power m into n, 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Now simplify. In first factor, what is common? A square common is the time. Take a square common, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. ಈ second factor common ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, a square r square common ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. a square r square common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ a square r square common, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. Now that is equal to a square into a square, a power 4 into r square, 1 plus r square plus r power 4 into 1 plus r square plus r power 4. That is 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole power 2. This is LHS called as equation 1. Correct. Similarly, solve RHS part. What is RHS? RHS is equal to RHS of AB plus BC plus CD to the power of 4. Okay. What is A? A value A. What is B? B value AR. B value AR. C value AR square. Correct? Then plus C value AR square. D value AR2 whole power. Okay. Then simplify. A into A square R, A into A square R into R square R2 plus A into A square R square into R2 log of indices R power 5 to the power of. Correct? That is equal. You move among these three terms, what is common? Common is only A square R common ತೆಗಿಬೋದಾ? ಹಾಗೆ common 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole power 2. Correct? Among these terms, a square r common, 1 plus r square plus r power 4. 1 r common whole power. The next one, a square whole power 2, a power 4 into r square plus 1 into bracket 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole power 2. Call it as equation 2. Observe those two equations. Are they same? Yes. A power 4 r square into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole power 2. Here also a power 4 into r square into 1 plus r square plus r power 4 whole power 2. Are they same? Yes. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it follows that we conclude that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? So, again, this is also 3-mark question. Okay, students. So, to solve some more problems in the next class. Okay, students. Thank you.